we're walking to Pelican Pier to redeem our tickets for the boat ride that we booked. They had amazing.
No. This for my dog. Yeah. My dog gon' pull up if you test mine. Rolling with the worst guys. All my niggas outside. Seen a nigga shoot a nigga 10 times. Smoke a little dope and I get red eyes. Throw hundreds at the roof in the club. Ain't no dead vibe. That's all I wanted.
I wonder if it matters what size I get. That's so weird. It really suctions your nose. Suctions my whole life. Oh my god. I can't get over how silly this looks. It's hilarious.
Zombie, 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 zombie. Oh girl, where did you go?
The boat is done, guys. I don't know if you can see my discomfort, but it's so sunny. Like, I can't even explain how sunny it is. We're gonna go look for a COVID test. And then I think take a nap, because that definitely warranted a nap. That was like nap activity.
Yeah, vibes.
Oh yeah, shift make a pass the studio. What's up on the timing now, yo?
All right, guys. The guy's gonna give you guys some helmets. You guys put it on, then they're gonna explain you guys what you guys doing.
Guys, we're ready. We are ready. Okay, I'm not driving, so you come.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Take care of yourself.
Bye.
My dog gon' pull up if you test mine. Rolling with the worst guys. All my niggas outside. Seen a nigga shoot a nigga 10 times. Smoke a little dope and I get red eyes. Throw hundreds at the roof in the club. Ain't no dead vibe.
That was the most incredible thing. Like, the views were insane. Guys, we made it down into this natural pool. Look at my shoes over there. I like went all the way down there because I don't dive. I'm like a little baby. My nails look so cute. I'm watching out for baby crabs, because apparently there are many baby crabs here. But this is such a good vibe. I can't believe this is real. Getting some food. I think I'm gonna get the chicken Alfredo. I want you guys to see my full fitty. Mr. Neon Girl, that's me, come on. Is your favorite color blue? Cause you something like my crib tonight. Meet me at my crib tonight. Ooh, I think this is too much now. I forgot to do the TikTok of all my outfits, by the way. Hey guys, so we made it back out to
all you do is lie, lie, lie. All you do is try.
And so but our policy is like donors, so we have like a lot of people who have like a, basically my job.
I'm vlogging. So we just checked into the new hotel, and this is what it looks like. It's huge, and they also gave us welcome drinks, which was nice. Okay, so we checked into the new hotel, and look what's right across the street. My favorite store. Ridiculous. It's raining, but it's gorgeous. This is the What did I get? This is the I'm Inspired smoothie. By like a little French cafe restaurant thing. And the interior is so cute. So this is where the boat picks you up from. This is so cool. Yeah. The card? Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Matt. So I think those are the cabanas, Yummy, that you can rent, but then here. You only want one? Oh, excuse me. Here. You want some? You fighting your friend for the food? Flamingoes are so cool, you guys. All they do is eat. And eat. What? Okay. Hey guys, ignore my what do you call this thing? My robe over my head. It's raining, but I've been like, I don't care that it's raining because this is my time to shine. And I'm gonna enjoy myself regardless, okay? Look at how beautiful. So stunning. Of course I made friends. They're like swimming over there right now. That's so cool. I took the last 2 days of the trip to just really enjoy myself, so I didn't vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and stay tuned for my next trips.